Today we have Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 with us. This is currently the best smartphone under 15,000 rupees segment. So let's unbox. Hello friends, my name is Shrudin VS. Technology is a thing of today and tomorrow. So let's mesmerize in technology. Welcome to my channel, TechMerize. In the box, we have our phone, an information booklet, a SIM ejector tool, a charger, a TPO case. I got this phone for Rs 13,999 from Flipkart. Under the hood, we have 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage, which is expandable using a micro SD card, which is a dedicated slot. And other variants like 3 GB and 6 GB variants are also available. The processor is a Snapdragon 660 and the battery is a 5000 mAh battery. So with moderate usage, you can easily get 2 days of battery backup with this phone. The operating system is stock Android Oreo 8.1. Thanks to Asus for giving a clean Android experience in this phone. Let's talk about the camera in this phone. Phone is having a 12 megapixel primary and 5 megapixel secondary for depth sensing. The primary camera sensor is IMX486 and having an aperture of 1.8. And in the front we have 13 megapixel primary shooter. Both cameras are having EIS, so the videos will be stable. Our Asus Max Pro M2 will support Gcam, so I have to install in it. I have not done yet, I will be doing it later. So let's look at some front camera as well as back camera sample shots from this phone. This is a front cam sample video of Asus Max Pro M2, so you can check it out how good the video is. This is a back camera sample of Asus Max Pro M2. You can see how good the camera is, whether it is focusing well or not. This phone is having a Gorilla Glass 6 in the front and a glossy looking plastic in the back. So this phone is not as good built as Asus Max Pro M1. But to bring a phone this slim with 5000 mAh of battery is a very good job. Kudos to Asus. Currently, this phone is the best smartphone under 15,000 rupees you can get. Recently, I have uploaded a video list which phone is best phone under 15,000 rupees segment. That is before launch of this phone. But after the launch of this Asus Max Pro M2, this is the best smartphone you can get under 15,000 rupees segment, and rest all phones comes second. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please click on that subscribe button and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified about the latest tech videos whenever I upload. Goodbye and see you on the next video.